Good day, accounting buddies! Let's talk about the balance sheet versus the income statement. The balance sheet is also known as the statement of financial position, comprising of assets, liabilities, and equity, which shows the financial condition of the business. On the other hand, the income statement is also known as the statement of comprehensive income, comprising of revenues and expenses, and as well as gains and losses, which shows the financial performance of the business. Always remember, income encompasses revenues and gains, while expenses encompass losses. For more accounting videos, follow me at Facebook or subscribe at my YouTube channel, Makhar Accounting Buddy, your Filipino accounting buddy. Come, let's study.